This tutorial is going to teach you how to delete the background or an unwanted area of an image, and I'm going to show you how to do it as I go through. So you're going to click the picture that you want to remove the background from, and then you're going to go up here under Format. You're going to click Remove Background. And then once you click Remove Background, these handles are going to pop up, and then you're going to drag the line around the area you want to remove. So if you wanted to drag it this way, then you would remove this background of the picture. And then you're going to click Mark Areas to Keep or Mark Areas to Remove. So after you mark up the picture, let's say we want to remove that much, then you're going to click Mark Areas to Keep. And then the final thing is Keep Changes. And you're done.